Hello everyone. Beautiful sunset, but now it's too late. 2 minutes too late. I don't know if you can see little here. So I going in some river. Today video will be short, I think. Look, it's all the route I doing 25 kilometers from Legaspi. Look, all palm, very beautiful. So let's go to the river before it's night. I'm back at Legaspi. I'm near Legaspi Boulevard. Here is quiet place. But the bonus, I will try to record when I drive with my mobile. Let's see. I'm stressed. You saw the title. I wanted to see tourist spot, and this tourist spot, I will not say where, I just can say it's near Pilar. And you know, when I arrive near few kilometers, first, sorry, because I just drink coffee. First, when I arrive, I see people look me very strange. You know, everywhere I go, all Filipino. Hello, how are you? Mabuhay. Always friendly. And there, people look me very strange. And when I was near the tourist spot, 25 kilometers from Legaspi, but you know, you must to drive 20 kilometers forest. So it's a very isolated place, but very beautiful. All palm along the road, very beautiful. But when I arrive there, I ask people, no one speak English about the tourist spot. But after one guy, I saw many houses. They write in red in carton. In Tagalog, in Bicolino, I don't know, but one guy translate to me. It's right. Here it's like it's territory NPA, and rich people are not welcome like that. I know after. So I search the tourist spot. One guy say, "Oh, you are not. It's not the good way. I will escort you." But you know, after I understand, because it's not first time I'm territory NPA, I understand when you arrive in territory NPA, when you are foreigner, you must to have escort. Because I remember when I was with my friend, we was in mountain. I cannot remember where. I cannot, because we travel so much. But I remember people say, you are in territory NPA, you must have escort. But they don't ask money. So one guy come with us to the falls. I don't remember in this video I spoken about NPA. I think not. I think I didn't spoken about NPA in this video. So, and this time we pay 500 pesos for escort, because we had a car and you know, we consider rich, so it's better to have escort. So today the guy, I don't ask him about escort, nothing. He say, I will guide you. But I understand, but after he want to guide me because he want I'm secure. He want I'm secure. But he didn't ask money. So he says not from NP, but you know, every house, front of her house, various house, it's white NPA. You know, I'm neutral about that. I know Filipino government consider them like terrorists. But me, I'm neutral about that, because I come in Philippines because I want peace. I was lived before in Ukraine. You know, it's war there. I lost my house, I lost my car. I was, you know, I had many problems there. I was attacked in my home, people with pistol. Okay, I don't want to speak too much about that. So I come in Philippines, you know, not like other foreigner. All foreigner come here for girl. I see they go to Magete, they go Cebu. Me, I don't come for girl because I had very bad wife, and you know, it's not my priority now to get girlfriend. 1 minute. You see, only we are near Legaspi Boulevard, but only a few scooters, only locals. So me, I wanted why you don't go to Belgium, because Belgium is very expensive. Belgium is dangerous, and I wanted to try Philippines because I saw before many YouTube video, and I wanted to see, and I'm happy here. I'm happy. So I was in Territory NPA, and you know, I see all people. Not one say hello to me. You know how they look me. Yeah. So no video about this tourist spot, also because it was evening. The guy say come back tomorrow, but you know, I'm still stressed about that. So I will not return in this tourist spot. I will not return in this tourist spot. So I wanted to share this with you. If you foreigner, because 20% of my follower are foreigner, you must to be careful where you travel. I never heard about something happened to foreigner with NPA, because you know, Philippine government, if something happened with NPA with foreigner, I think Filipino will be direct, because it will kill the tourism in Philippines. Some foreigner killed by NPA who raped. So that's why I never heard something bad about NPA with foreigner. But you must be careful always when you travel. You know, my friends in Bicol, before it was many NPA and everywhere, but now, you know, there's not so much. Why? Because economy Philippines improve. Yes, Filipino economy improve. So that's why there is no too much NPA like before. But my friend told me 20, 30 years ago it was many NPA everywhere, but now not so much. There is in Bicol, there is in Mindanao, there is in Negros also. But usually they are in very isolated place, like, you know, like in mountain, like you know, not in city. They are in remote, like in mountain. I know in Mindanao they are in mountain also. So me, I was a very isolated place. So what I think about NPA, I'm neutral about that. Nothing to say. Just I know they are communist. And you know, I'm a little sad for them, because they don't live well. I saw how they live. They cannot send kids to school like that. Yes. They live with a rice field. Yeah, it's not easy for them. So that's all for today. So the bonus, I will go to Legaspi Boulevard. I will record along the way. You will see. So let's go. So start boulevard. You will see full of people. We are Saturday evening, so Sunday also, many people, you see all cars. Now it's like 8 o'clock, so you see here many people. Look, many. So many cars. When you come in the week, there is no car. Look at that, so many today. Many people running. Bar here. This guy is dangerous. Wait. Another restaurant, bar. Here is the poor fisherman in the right. They all come back with the fish, and a restaurant, who shop, buy fish in evening. So here's the famous park, Sagawan Park, always full of people, parking is full. So beautiful this park, I love it. Parking for motorbike. So here's street food. This bar is very popular for young people. So here is LTO, if you need licensed driver. So Embarcadero here in the right, famous mall. Still Embarcadero here. So guys, that's all for today. I'm going home, I'm near home. Maybe I will run, I will see today. So I don't know when I will travel again, maybe tomorrow, I don't know. So thank you for watching.